Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn karate at home. To begin your journey, focus on mastering fundamental stances like the front stance and back stance. These are crucial for balance and power. Next, practice basic blocks such as the rising block and downward block, ensuring your movements are precise. Remember to incorporate proper breathing, exhaling sharply with each technique. Consistent daily practice, even for just 30 minutes, will yield significant progress. Once you have a solid foundation, move on to essential offensive techniques. Begin with the straight punch, aiming for accuracy and speed. Then, practice the reverse punch, generating power from your hips. For kicks, start with the front kick, focusing on extending your leg fully. Progress to the roundhouse kick, ensuring your pivot is smooth and powerful. Each technique requires controlled movements and precise body mechanics for maximum effectiveness. To truly advance your skills, incorporate effective home drills into your routine. Shadow boxing is excellent for perfecting your forms and practicing fluid combinations without resistance. If possible, use a punching bag to develop power and impact, striking with proper technique. A simple but powerful tool is recording your training sessions. Watching yourself back allows you to objectively identify areas needing improvement, helping you refine your movements and correct any errors. Beyond physical techniques, cultivating a strong karate mindset is vital. Discipline and perseverance are key. Consistent effort, even on challenging days, builds resilience. Set small, achievable goals like mastering a new kata or holding a stance for an extra 10 seconds to keep your motivation high. Remember, karate is a continuous journey of self-improvement, not a destination. Embrace the process, celebrate small victories, and enjoy the path to mastery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.